Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your Duolingo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for anybody who are learning new languages on Duolingo account and having problems with their own password, and simply after getting logged in they want to change their password simply because if they're bored or because of any of the reasons around, even just for the security, I'll teach you how to do this. So you can see that I'm already logged into my own homepage, and this is my particular homepage where I'm learning my language and I'm in a very basic level. So you can see on the very bottom there are various options. Just next to this book-like icon there is a profile icon where you can see an emo of a girl. Just tap on it. So you can see after simply tapping on it, it just turned colorful. That means this is your profile. Over here on the top you can see with my name's Vibes Matter. So all you have to do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various setting option. All you have to do is drag it and scroll it. And you can see just below email, you have an option of password. Simply tap on it. With simply tapping on it, you do have an option of changing your password. So first of all, keep your old password that you had used before and want to simply change because of various reasons. And then now you have an option of keeping a very new password. So simply keep a very convenient password that you can use again and again, and then keep it back again to confirm. And after you're done, just simply tap on save option on the top right corner of the screen. So guys, just after tapping on save option, you can see that your password has been simply changed. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the password of your Duolingo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.